we divide 103 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down these 3 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting, we get 3. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 103 divided by 5 is 20 decimal 6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.